Okay, this is a continuation of the video. We do it in segments so that it won't consume your data so much. All right, question number 3 says, find the value of x. The x is the angle at the circumference, while 264 degrees is the angle at the center. Remember that our theorem is telling us that the angle at the circumference is twice the angle at the center. All right, so double the angle at the circumference, you will get the one that is at the center. That is why we have that 2x is equal to 264 degrees. You double the x to get 264 degrees, which is angle at the center. Now, to get the value of x, I have to divide 264 degrees by 2. When I take this division, I will find out that my x is now 132 degrees, as simple as that. Okay, look at this question number 4. It is telling us to find the value of angle OBC. Find the value of angle OBC. OBC is the angle of the triangle. Right. Now, angle BOC, which is the angle at the center of the circle, must be twice the angle at the circumference. And the angle at the circumference is 80 degrees. So we have that angle BOC is equal to 2 times 80 degrees, which will give us 160 degrees. Angle at center is twice angle at circumference. But angle BOC plus angle OBC plus angle OCB is 180 degrees. This is just the sum of angles of the triangle. Then again, you find out that line OB and line OC are equal. They are the radius of the circle. OB and OC are radius of the circle because they are moving from center to the circumference. Always be able to dictate a radius when you see them. So because they are radius, they are equal to the other, hence making the two sides of the triangle to be equal. Whenever the two sides of a triangle are equal, you now know that the triangle is an isosceles triangle. And the base angles of isosceles triangle are equal. That is why angle OBC and angle OCB are equal, because they are the base angles of the isosceles triangle. Then to get angle OBC, OBC must be equal to OCB. But angle BOC, which is the angle at the center, is already 160 degrees. Therefore, we have to remove that 160 degrees from 180 degrees, which is the sum of angles of a triangle. When I remove 160 from 180, I am getting 20 degrees. And the angle OBC and the OCB are sharing the 20 degrees because they are equal, and they are the base angles of the isosceles triangle. Therefore, I will divide the 20 degrees by 2 to find out that my angle OBC is equal to 10 degrees. Okay, take a look at this one, question number 5. Find the value of x. Again, you've seen another isosceles triangle. This is another isosceles triangle because you can see two radii there. Whenever you see a straight line running from center to circumference, you now know that it is a radius. And radius is equal to a radius, making the triangle to be isosceles. And whenever you witness isosceles triangle, it implies that the base angles must be equal. Therefore, the other base angles of that isosceles triangle will still be 27 degrees. Hence, if I want to get the angle at the center now, I will double the angle at the circumference, which is x, to get 2x as the angle at the center. And that 2x, which is angle at the center, is also part of the isosceles triangle. Then 27 degrees plus 27 degrees, which are the two base angles of the isosceles triangle, plus 2x, which is non-angle at the center, equals 180 degrees, sum of angles in a triangle. Then 27 plus 27 will give us 54 degrees plus 2x equal to 180 degrees. Now removing 54, because when it crosses over, the sign changes. I will remove 54 from 180 degrees. I will get 126 degrees. The coefficient of x is 2, so I will divide both sides by 2. I will find out that my x is 63 degrees. All right, so this is quite simple. Know the theorem. Solving the problems will no longer be difficult to you. All right, in summary, today we discussed circle theorems, and the circle is just a plane shape with equal distance from the center to any part of the circumference. There are several circle theorems, and we discussed one today. The circle theorem you've learned will now help you to solve so many problems. Knowing these theorems makes every solution in circle theorem quite simple, right? Take a look at your assignment, try to deal with it. If you're able to get this assignment correctly, it will go a long way helping you to believe that you've understood the topic appropriately. I encourage you to go and do more rehearsals, go to so many Facebooks and consult it for proper mastery of this topic. So you are just asked here to calculate the sizes of the lettered angles. All right. If you want to know if you got your answer correctly, you can reach me via my WhatsApp line 07068394063 or my email chuksesomnof@gmail.com or through Facebook Esomnof Chuks Chidebube. Reaching me through this makes you to be able to believe within you that you've got the assignment correctly. Thank you. Remember to let a child around you